Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to verify your tax ID information to avoid IRS penalties this year. First, go to equityelevate.com/profile/edit and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, scroll down to find the black box labeled Your Tax Information. You'll see your tax details here. Click the Reveal button to see your complete tax ID number. Take a moment to verify 3 things. Is your legal tax name exactly correct? This should be your legal name or company name, not an equity branch name. Is your tax ID number accurate? Check every digit carefully. Is your email address current? This is where we'll send your tax forms. If anything needs updating, click the Download this form button at the bottom of the box. Complete the form with your correct information and email it to agentrelations@equity-usa.net. Remember, the IRS penalized 82 agents last year for incorrect tax IDs. Don't let this happen to you. The deadline is December 31st, 2024. If you have any questions, please contact Agent Relations.